Storm warnings are now in effect across Arkansas.
Take it easy out there on the roadways today with snow continuing to come down.
That circulation, so that rotation and that storm has strengthened.
The days keep getting shorter and the wind chills even lower. Winter is almost here. Tonight, we're looking worldwide at the jet stream, polar ice, and the temperatures of the sea to figure out what we can expect this winter right here in Arkansas. Last winter, we had a bone-chilling, pipe-bursting Arctic blast with northwest Arkansas dropping to its lowest temperature ever recorded. Will that happen again this year? Also, how much snow can we expect? Will we get bad ice storms? What's our tornado risk this season? This is Arctic Arkansas. Another La Nina winter is coming. That means we have cooler than normal sea surface temperatures in the eastern Pacific. This leads to changes in the jet stream all the way here in North America. It generally becomes more variable and more chaotic with greater temperature swings. Specifically, for precipitation, we get wetter than normal conditions in the Pacific Northwest, a lot of wet weather throughout the Great Lakes, but drier than normal conditions along the South and the Gulf Coast. In terms of temperatures, we have colder than normal conditions in the north, making it even worse, and warmer than normal conditions in the south. But you may have noticed that for both maps, there's not a clear signal for Arkansas. So let's crunch some numbers. Starting with temperature, our average afternoon highs through winter are generally in the 40s and 50s, but during La Nina winters, 78% of the time, our temperatures are near or above average. Specifically for our counties, we generally report 1 to 2 degrees above normal. But that doesn't mean every day will be warm. Check out the ice sheets around the North Pole. So far this season, we're running about 20% below normal. Less ice helps destabilize the Arctic cold, allowing it to wobble and spill into the plains more easily. Our temperature forecast. Most of the time, we will likely be warmer this season, with a lot of 50-degree days. However, there will be a handful of some very cold outbreaks. These will only last a few days, and will warm up quickly back above freezing. Overall, more warm days than cold days are expected this winter. What about snow? Will we get enough to have snowball fights and to go sledding? Well, snow is a harder forecast because sometimes during our warmest years, we actually get the most snow. It's all about timing when moisture and cold air come together, especially during an Arkansas night. A typical winter, northwest Arkansas should get about 7 inches and the River Valley about 5. Looking over the past 70 years, La Nina winters have given us more snow 60% of the time. However, with a limited number of cold outbreaks, we'll likely have fewer chances to squeeze out those snowflakes. Our snowfall forecast. We will likely only have a couple snows. However, in these limited chances, we may still get to seasonal snowfall totals that are near or slightly above normal, so roughly 5 to 10 inches. In addition, most of our snows will likely be wet, which packs better and makes better snowballs. There's one thing about winter that no one likes. Ice storms. On average, we get between 2 to 4 days of freezing rain right here in Arkansas. Looking back, the majority of our worst ice storms came during La Nina winters. Our ice forecast this season. We're expecting a higher chance for icy roads. Lastly, over the past few decades, warmer winters have sparked more severe weather across the South. In fact, Arkansas's biggest tornado outbreak ever was in January 1999. And that year, we had La Nina, like we have this year, and we got more snowfall than normal. That was a crazy winter. When we have strong southerly winds this season, we'll have to be more on edge. More warmth means higher chances for tornadoes. Our forecast, more severe weather. Lots of warm days, with a few very cold outbreaks bringing limited but healthy ice and snow chances. That's our forecast this year. The data we have gives us the best snapshot of what to expect, but of course, things can change as we get deeper into winter. If you want to go deeper into the science, head to our website for an extended outlook. We'll also take a glimpse of how our winters may change over the next 50 years. With Arctic Arkansas and forecasting the winter where you live, I'm 5 News Chief Meteorologist Matt Standridge.
All right, now to